Okay, so the month of October is finally over. A lot of people took plenty of losses in this month, but it's now time to make a game plan for the month of November. So what I want to talk to you about today real quick is going ahead and understanding and respecting seasonality when it comes to the stock market. One chart in particular I want to work through with you guys. We're going to use the market rover to ultimately give us those buy and sell signals. But I think before we even look at that chart real quick, it's really important to understand that the probabilities of a year-end rally at some point, we'll put it this way, the forces that push markets higher into year-end are very, very strong. So any bearish views here, long-term and immediate term, really should be carefully postured, because underperforming fund managers are one of the main things that will tend to lift markets. Now the question is, of course, at what point does that happen? I don't think we're quite there yet. I think we have to get through a couple of uncertainties here, particularly around midterm elections, G20 meetings, and quite frankly, the market rover isn't yet giving us the actual buy signals just yet, but we're watching it very closely, and clients who have that thing, they're going to see it in real time, and we'll tell them as well. So let me show you quickly a chart that I'm referring to here, which is the seasonality patterns. Now, I think using this alone is very dangerous to make money with, or to attempt to make money with, but it does work pretty good as a point of reference. So this column, this one here, is the month of October. And historically speaking, October is not a horrible month, but you can see there's more volatility. And of course, this year we had a down month. But look at the month of November. The month of November tends to be rather positive, and then of course, December as well. So to me, this inflection point here, and I'm not quite sure we've had it just yet, maybe we're going to get this inflection point at some point closer to early to mid-November. I think that's something to really respect. Again, and regardless of how bearish your views might be through the lens of a few quarters, maybe you think the economy's tapped out already, and I think the rate of change in terms of growth has certainly slowed down, or is going to slow down more in the States as well, as opposed to what we've already seen in other places like Europe and China. So to me, I just want to quickly give you my personal game plan for the month of November. I'm going to get the actual buy and sell signals from the market rover. So far, we have not yet gotten a whole lot of actionable stuff yet. We're still in a bottoming phase. Remember, tops and bottoms in the stock market are usually not V-shaped. They take a little bit of time. Even though ultimately you might get the V-shaped reversal, it's usually a process until we get to that V, or like the top if the market tops out. So to me, we're starting to buy a little bit of some large cap technology stocks such as JP Morgan in very, very, very small size to kind of just dip a toe for year-end positions. But really, we're waiting still. I want to see some of the uncertainties get out of the way. Like I just said, it's midterm elections, it's G20 meeting around the China-US trades. Maybe we get a little bit more clarity, maybe around that. And again, ultimately, I need to see the buy signals come happening here in the market rover. So that's the game plan for me for November. All of our paying clients, we're going to send that to them, of course, in real time throughout the day and throughout the week. I hope this makes sense. Welcome to November.